Particular reason, some probably find these already familiar. It's a pretty basic switch. You just push it down and it will trigger a red little button underneath and send a signal it's been pushed. And I bought these to replace the exact same switch on the Guitar Hero or Rock Band controllers, because the strum bar there tends to break at some point because you're smacking quite a good session out of there, at least if you jam a lot. And I got really sad when my controls stopped working, and then I stumbled across these and realized, hey, this is kind of the switch that I need to replace that. And then I replaced them, and it goes pretty straightforward there. So yeah, if you're looking for a replacement for your Rock Band controllers, this is it. And that's all I can say for today. So take care, you guys. I'm Badger. I'm out, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.